First of all, why this study is framed is to reduce the severity of crash. So what is crash? A crash is something like a vehicle, if a vehicle enters into a highway segment, if it is met with a crash, or it is safe, or it is non-crash. So it's like a Bernoulli's triangle. So if the crash, if it vehicle met with a crash, if it says that x is equal to 1, if a non-crash, x is equal to 0. So why we should reduce the crashes, or what is the result of crash? So basically, crash results into a death of person, or disability, or a property loss. Whatever the loss may be, whatever the result may be, ultimately it results into a loss to, it ultimately gives loss to nation. So the presence actually to reduce the severity of crash, or to reduce the crashes or increase the road safety, these two things are important. One thing is the road geometry is important, same as well as the driver safety is also important. So these two things are treated in same level. But unfortunately, most of the cases, the road geometry is given a high priority than the safety of driver. So these are the statistics taken from More Accident Statistics 2017. It shows us nearly more than more than 50% accidents shared by two-wheeler and four-wheelers. And these are the fatalities rate, the death rate. It also shows the more than 50% is being shared by two-wheeler and cars. So how can we reduce this crash severity? So for reducing crash severity, we can, one thing is we should use the safety tools effectively, like seat belt, helmet, or safety pads, like that. And other thing is we should be alert while driving on road. We should be alert. We should, if our concentration diverts from driving, it ultimately results to accident. So we should be alert while driving. So this shows the accident, the accident rate just because of using mobile phone. It shows 3%. 3% is not a small number. 3%, just 3% of accidents are just because of using mobile phone. It is also taken from More Statistics. So why we should avoid mobile phone? As we all know, if you use mobile phone while driving, it diverts our concentration. So if it is if our concentration diverted from driving, it results to an accident. So what is the perception of driver is attitude, knowledge, and behavior. These are the three elements. This is a real-time crash visuals. In these visuals, you can observe a driver is using a mobile phone and is not wearing a helmet also, and is going in the opposite direction, in wrong direction. So he met with the accident, and this accident seems to be minor, but unfortunately he is using mobile phone and going in the wrong direction, and the main thing, he's not wearing a helmet. So even it seems to be a minor accident, he went to coma. Thank you once again.